Did you know your website could be the ultimate client acquisition machine? In this video, I'm sharing 5 proven secrets to turn your website into a lead generation powerhouse, a web development expert helping businesses unlock their online potential. Today, I'll reveal the secrets top-performing websites use to attract and convert clients. Stick around till the end because secret number 5 can skyrocket your conversion rates overnight. Think free ebooks, guides, or tools. For example, a free SEO checklist can drive tons of qualified leads. A 1-second delay in loading time can reduce conversions by 7%. Tools like GTmetrix and Google PageSpeed Insights can help optimize performance. Confused users don't convert. Your website should guide visitors like a GPS, from discovery to decision. 90% of consumers read online reviews before making a decision. A well-placed testimonial slider or case study can be the deal breaker. Ever noticed ads following you online? Retargeting can remind visitors to take action after they leave your site. If these secrets gave you an aha moment, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Need help implementing these strategies? Check the link in the description to book a free consultation.